Hello everybody to lesson 11 of CSS Attractive Design. In this lesson we will know what is the relation between outline and borders and what do we mean with outlines. Okay, so first of all we have to understand that what is borders. Borders means the line which is around the content. Okay, the outline is the line around the border. Let's go to the code and see what we have. We have here, for example, I will create h1, which is HTML element, and I will call it with ID, which is out L, means outline. Okay, then I will create here, this is CSS outline. Great. Let's go to the style and call that selector. Let's see, out WL, out L. Then here we will write the border. Alright, border, let's see, 3 pixel solid, and let's see, green. Save it and then refresh the page. Here we are. This is CSS outline. We have green border, right? Then we have here something called outline. In outline we have 5 things that we will study, which is outline style, outline color, outline width, outline offset, and the outline itself. So let's start with the outline outline itself. Outline. It seems that it's like the the border. 3 pixel solid, then red, for example. Okay, save it and refresh and see what we have. So the outline is that red color border. But the border is the green one that you could see here. Make it bigger. So that red thing is the outline, but the other thing is the border. So how we could control this outline? First of all, we have the style. Outline style. It seems that its attribute is like the border. So the outline style could be solid, dashed, dotted, or red inset, hidden, anything. For example, double. For example, right here, double. Save it, come and refresh, and here we are. So it's double. The default color is the black. Okay, so here we have double and it's black. Great. So this is about the style. You could manipulate the styles yourself. Second thing, which would be the outline color. Outline color. So in the outline color, we could define whatever color we want. For example, I will see here, let's see, blue. Save it, refresh. Here we are. Or not blue. Let's see another color, which is yellow or red. Red is a great to be seen and to be noticed here. Let's make it bigger, and here we are. So we have the outline is double, so we have 2 lines of 2 red lines, and we have green, which is the border. Great. Then we have the other element or other attribute, which is the outline width, and we have here a note in the outline color. We could invert. What do we mean with invert? The color. So we could set the color to invert. Invert. What do we mean with invert color? Inverting the color means if the background is red, the color, if the background is white, the color would be black, and vice versa. So the invert means we change, we opposite the background color. Also we have here outline width. Outline width. So the outline width could be defined with pixel, percentage, or am, or any value. For example, I will write, for example, 10 pixel. It would be large, but I need you to know something. So this is the width of the the outline. So we could control it with outline, then width, which could be defined, as we said, with pixel, with with percentage or whatever we want. Okay, then we have the last point, which is the offset. The outline offset. Great. What do we mean with offset and how we could use this offset for? The offset, it adds the space between the outline and the and the border. For example, here we see the offset would be, for example, 10 pixel, and let's change it to solid so it could looks great and clear. See, we have here the border, and here is the outline. The outline is black. Let's change it to red. Save it, refresh, and here we are. The border is green, the outline is red. Between them is the offset. Means we have space between the border and the outline, which is, we call it here outline dash offset. So it's great. The offset could make the design, and maybe sometimes we will need it. Okay, the last element that we will have it is deleting all these things except the border, and write on the outline. The outline, as we mentioned in the beginning of this lesson, is containing the element that the border contains. So first of all, we write here the width, then we write the style, then we write the color. Great. So we could remove the width, we could remove the color, but we couldn't remove the style. So we couldn't write only the width with that element outline, or only the color with that element, but we could write only the style. For example, let's say it's dashed, it will work, and the color will be the default, which is black. But here, if we need to write the size and the style and the color, we should mention them all. So here I will say the outline would be, for example, 5 pixel, the dotted, the style will be dotted, and the color would be blue. Save it. Sorry, what was that? Blue. Sorry. Blue. Save it and refresh the page and see what we have. So here we have, it's dotted, the outline, and it is blue. So that was it, and it's enough for this lesson, and see you in the next. Bye for now.